mothers. Today is your day. So I hope you're feeling special. Yeah man, I am out with the family today. Yeah man, I am at Oswald in Alligator Pond. Yeah man, today is so we're here with the family, dining, eating some fish and some seafood. Yeah man, so guys, all at the road, just stick and stay and watch what I want. Alright guys, so here is my fish. I am having brown stew fish with some breadfruit slices and plantain. Yeah man, I'll be having a Coca-Cola and some water. Yeah man, so really nice. Brown stew fish. Why if you put yourself on Mother's Day? Alright guys, see there you know. Take my little time and go on. So, right now I'm going to show you the view we have in front of me. So I'm going to stick and stay and watch what I want. Done. Alright guys, so see you now. Eat, I will leave. Man, so them here guy on one side of the people could have get to eat like because very full. Because the fish them extra big, you know. Yeah man, so I know how it is guys. Fish was enjoyable. Only need more pepper, but it's okay. So when you're in the Alligator Pond here, you can come and check out as well, you know. Yeah man, anything up.
Thank you.
Come Miss Lazy, come. Your mother go leave you.